said, this is one of our next projects we got going on. This old Ford pickup truck, we're putting a updated wiring harness in it, just to, you know, anybody who's had these old cars know that the old harnesses and stuff, they're just shot by the time they get chopped and cut and rebuilt a few times, and everything winds up being toast. So just kind of give y'all a little look. Got the dash out right now, getting ready to wire it in. It's going to be one of those American Auto Wire kits right there. We got to get everything mounted. Updates the fuses too. Like if you remember, the old fuses were the glass fuses, so it does away with those and gives the plastic fuses to it. That's what we got. That's pretty much what we got left out of the old harness. Just a bunch of junk. But I'll show y'all some pictures. Like I said, this ain't a real big job, but just a little bit of wiring, so kind of show y'all some of that as we go. Nothing inside? No. Alright, so we got the old pickup wiring harness in. That turned out really good. So we just updated the harness, put I think it was a classic auto wire. He actually bought the harness himself. But they're not too bad of a job to install if you're doing it. Like I said, they actually recommend you mounting the fuse panel on the floor right there, but we actually moved it up a little bit and mounted it up on the firewall. Like I said, just mounting, you know, your normal dimmer switch. All that stuff's normal. It does come with a new headlight switch, new ignition switch. Like I said, it kind of updates everything. Actually gives the truck like a courtesy light. I'll show you under the hood. I can figure out how to pop this old hood on this old thing. Let's see here. Alright, I got the hood open finally. So basically what you do is just, like I said, he's gonna go get some loom. It's a younger kid's truck. Actually, he's restoring it. But we just kind of ran the wiring back kind of how they had it factory. He's just got to pop it in some wire loom, but just kind of redoes everything. So that's going to finish it up for that. We got the harness all installed. Got everything put back together. Got all the lights working now finally. It's got turn signals, headlights, taillights, everything's working now. So not a real big job, but just something different. Pretty cool old truck. Give y'all something different to look at. Y'all stay tuned for the next videos.